Okay, how's this work? We've got a new style of sprayer. You've got 5 different settings. 1 is high output, 2 is standard, 3 is low output, vertical fan and horizontal fan is the last setting. So let's try number 1. I am not super impressed. I shook it up really good. I had some crap in the straw that goes down inside of this, and it didn't foul out the spray nozzle, but it came darn close. So let's see what number 1 looks like, shall we? But once I got the crap or the contaminants, which would just be thickened product that sits in the bottom or wasn't mixed properly, I shook it up really well, but next time I'll shake it up double super well, I guess. So that's number 1. That's the high output. Now again, this is primer, and this is a cardboard freaking box, but you can see that did really nice. That covered nice. I don't think I'd get many runs with that. So come back here, let's go to number 2. Shake it up a little bit more. Number 2. And this is just considered a standard. That's nice too. That's really nice. Number 3. Shake it up a little bit more. Now usually I shake my cans about 1:45 before I use them. This one just happened, maybe it settled a little more. So this is number 3, and this is considered a low output. Holy crap, did you see that? That's low output, all right. See, now that one sucks on ice. That's terrible. Yeah. Okay. You just really have to crank that down. It's almost the same as the standard. So let's go to 4, and this is considered, what is that, a vertical fan? Let's see what the vertical fan looks like. Holy cow, that is a vertical fan. That's nice. I like that. I really like that. That will make you look like a genius if you're painting, if you're going to rattle can a car. Yeah, that's nice. Now let's see what the horizontal fan. See, the last one is a horizontal fan. And I got it on my fingers. So it does drip a little bit. You can see that the nozzle gets really sexy. Okay, so we're gonna, wow, that is nice. Let's look at that. And that is a nice pattern. All right, I like it. Overall, I like it. I don't like that. I don't think that this is gonna sit around and be able to be used in a month. I think that these nozzles are gonna, you know what I mean, F up. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it upside down. You know how you do this. You turn it upside down and you let some of the propellant come out and clean out the nozzle. I don't know if that's gonna work. I'll try it. But overall, I tell you what, the only one I didn't like was number 3, which was low output. I'm gonna try that one again, hang on. Just for cheese and grins. That's 2, that's 1, 2, 3. The numbers get covered with paint too, so it's kind of hard. Let's try it on this little part right here. Yeah, if you really crank it down, it does a nice job. Okay, I am impressed with the new nozzles. Now, as far as longevity, in other words, oh, I want to throw this on the shelf, come back in a month, I don't know. I am going to clean the nozzles out, like I said, by turning it upside down. Kind of nice, I got to tell you, for $8, and this is this primer's supposed to be really nice primer, good for galvanized steel after you prep it properly. So yeah, overall, I like it. Longevity, don't know. This hat for Hap Around the House. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel. And use the Amazon affiliates at the bottom. That kind of helps out a little bit if you want. If you don't, that's fine too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.